Next question I'll solve is question number 4. What sum of money will amount to? So principal is not given. So principal is question mark. What sum of money will amount to 27,783? So A is equal to 27,783 in 1.5 years. So N is equal to 1.5 year at 10% per annum compounded half yearly. So R is equal to 10% CI compounded half yearly. So we know the formula A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 2 into 100 raised to the power N into 2. So let's substitute. So 27,783 is equal to P times 1 plus R. R is given equal to 10 upon 2 into 100 raised to the power N is 3 by 2 multiplied with 2. So then this gives me 27,783 is equal to P. This is 2021. So this is 21 upon 20 cube, which means 27,783 into 20. I'm doing cross multiplication into 20 upon 21 into 21 into 21 will give me P. So 21 1 21 1 3 2 3 perfect. 21 1 21 6, yes, 6 and 3, 21 1 21 3. So therefore P will be equal to rupees 248, 8 into 3 24, and how many zeros? 3. So P is rupees 24,000. Let's move on to the next question. The next question I'll solve is question number 6. At what rate of interest? Oh, so the last time we did P was missing. Now let's calculate rate. So at what rate of interest per annum will a sum of rupees 62,500? So P is given equal to rupees 62,500. R is question mark. Can earn a compound interest of 5100. So CI is equal to 5100 in 1 year. N is equal to 1 year, and the interest is compounded half yearly. So this is compounded half yearly. I know that my formula is equal to P times 1 plus R upon 2 into 100 raised to the power N into 2. So let's substitute values. A, I know P, I know CI. A will be equal to P plus CI, which will be equal to 62,500 plus 5,100. That's 67,600. So let's substitute values. 67,600 is equal to 62,500. 1 plus R, we don't know. 200 raised to the power N is 1, 2. Let's take this down, which is divide both sides by 62,500. So this will be 67600 upon 62500 is equal to 1 plus R upon 200 raised to the power 2. 00 and 00 gets cancelled. I know 625 is 25 square and 676 is 26 square. So this is 26 upon 25 whole square will be equal to 1 plus R upon 200 raised to the power 2. Taking square root of both sides, I get 26 upon 25 is equal to 1 plus R upon 200, which gives me R upon 200 is equal to 26 upon 25 minus 1. This will be 26 minus 25 upon 25, which will be equal to 1 upon 25. Therefore, R upon 200 is equal to 1 upon 225, which means R is equal to 200 upon 25, which is 488%. Perfect. That's my answer. R is equal to 8%. Let's move on to the next question. That's question number 7. Question 7 says, in what time? So this time N is not given. In what time will rupees 1,500, which means P is equal to rupees 1,500, yield rupees 496.50 as compound interest? So the compound interest is given equal to rupees 496.50 at 20% per year. R is equal to, that's a lot of interest, 20% per annum and compounded half yearly. So this is being compounded half yearly. So let's look at the formula. A is equal to P1 plus R upon 2 into 100 raised to the power n into 2. I know A will be equal to 1500 plus 496. A is equal to P plus CI, which will be equal to rupees 159. So that's a 1996.50. Let's substitute 1996.50 is equal to 1500 multiplied with 1 plus R. That's 20. 20 upon 2 into 100 raised to the power n. N we don't know, so this is 2n. To 1, to 10, 0 and 0. Let's take 1500 down, so it'll be 1996.50 upon 1500 is equal to, that's 11 upon 10 raised to the power 2n, which means I will need to write this in the form of 11 upon 10 to the power something. 11 upon 10 to the power 2, 11 upon 10 to the power 3, 11 upon 10 to the power 4. So let's move on. So I on the denominator, this will look like something 11 upon 10 raised to power something, right? That's the only way I'll be able to remove. I'll be able to equate this power and this power. So if I need to come, so 10 square will be 100, 10 cube will be 1000. So let me try and divide both these sides by 15 so that this becomes 100. So let's try. So 1996.50 upon 1500. I'm dividing it by 15, this becomes 100. And on my right hand side, in any case, I have 11 upon 10 to the power 2n. Why did I divide by 15? Because I know that this will either be 10, 100, 1000, something. So I have divided this by 15. If I divide this by 15, I get 133.1. Now, when I get 133.1, I remember that 11 cube is equal to, in my mind, I already know 11 cube is equal to 1331. So let me try and multiply both sides. So this is 133.1 upon 100 is equal to 11 upon 10 to the power 2n. Let me multiply both numerator and denominator by 10 so that this becomes 1331. So this is 1331 upon 1000 is equal to 11 upon 10 to the power 2n. This can be written as 11 upon 10 to the power 3 because 1000 is 10 cube, and on the right hand side I have 11 upon 10 to the power 2n. Since the base is the same, the coefficient will be equal, which means 3 is equal to 2n, therefore n is equal to 3 upon 2, which is equal to 1.5 here. That finishes the questions that I needed to do. I will write down your homework question. This was a short exercise. Homework questions are uh, question number 3, question number 8, question number 9, and question number 10. 4 questions for your homework. Thank you. Take care and be safe.